If you have a Toshiba Fire TV that keeps shutting down on you, you may be watching a video or doing something on it and it just completely turns off, black screen. You turn it back on, a few minutes later or a couple hours later it does it again. So I want to help you troubleshoot that. Make sure you stick to the end. First thing I want you to do is go to Home and then go to Settings, and the settings will look like a little gear shift like this. Click on that and then go down, and then I want you to check on your sleep timer and click OK. And make sure when you click on it, make sure that there is nothing selected here on your times. So what will happen is someone will accidentally turn that on, and then what will happen is it'll shut it off. So once you know that it's not selecting anything, go ahead and back out of that. Next thing what we're going to do is do a system update. And in order to do that, go to Home, go back to Settings, like we were before, then go down, and then you'll go to Device and Software. Click OK, and then where it says About, click OK, and then go all the way down here and click OK to check with updates. Check for updates. That might take a couple of minutes, and then restart your TV and then see if it'll work. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and just restart it by just backing out and going back to Device and Software and then clicking Restart. And then try that. Now, next thing I want you to do is make sure you don't have anything connected to your USB or your HDMI ports back here. So double check, and you can see here I don't have anything connected to my HDMI ports right here. But what will happen is if you have like an Xbox or a PlayStation or a soundbar, whatever, go ahead and unplug everything from the TV except the power cord. Okay, restart your TV again and see if you get that issue temporarily without that device in there. If you do get it, then it might be an issue either with that HDMI port, the actual input, or the device itself. So for example, if it's an Xbox. So what I want you to do is go ahead and try a different HDMI port with that device and see if that's the issue. If it is, then you know it's just that HDMI port that's bad. Or it could be the device is making everything messed up, but you need to verify that one of those are not shutting your TV down. Alright, next thing I want you to do, after you've tried that, I want you to power it down, and we're going to do a power cycle. And what you're going to do is completely unplug the TV from the wall. You can either unplug it from the power outlet here, or you can unplug it directly from the TV. See there? Go ahead and pull that out and let it sit for a good 5 minutes. And then plug everything back in and then see if you get it to shut down like that. Now, after you've tried that, go ahead and plug it back in. Alright. And then what I want you to do is actually unplug it again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to point the remote control towards the TV and hold the power down for at least 30 seconds. Let go. And locate the power button on your Toshiba. Sometimes it's down here below the Toshiba logo. Sometimes it's off to the side. So mine's actually right here. And what I want to do is I want to hold down the power input button for 30 seconds as well. Let go. Turn back the TV and then turn it back on and then see if you have that issue. Alright, now if you still get that issue, what you're going to have to do is actually do a full system factory reset. And what that's going to do, it's going to wipe out any new apps that you have on there, any passwords, and your Wi-Fi connection. So you're going to have to retry everything again. So what you're going to have to do is go to Settings, and then go to Device and Software. And then what you're going to do is reset to factory defaults. Again, that will remove all personal data, and this will take about 5 to 10 minutes. And then after you do a full factory restore, you'll have to re-enter your Wi-Fi and all that, and then see if you're getting that error. That will fix 90% of your issues for the TV to shut down. If you want to try something before that, try a different Wi-Fi network, because sometimes a bad Wi-Fi network, or let's say your TV is far away from your router, for example, a lot of times that will make it shut down the TV completely. So try a different network. One thing you can do is actually get your smartphone and tether from your phone and use a hotspot from your smartphone and put it close to your TV, and then see if you're getting a black screen. If you aren't, then it might be that you're just too far away from the router. And of course, you can always connect your TV to the Ethernet, which is the cord connected directly. And of course, to change networks, you just go to Settings, you go to Network, and then you click on your network, and then you could click Forget Network, and then enter a new network. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.